Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver drove through my yard.
Why are you driving through my yard? In the middle. I mean, in the middle of the yard.
Like I did a burnout or anything. I feel like I can back out. You know, it's dangerous out here. These for the $7 tip. I hope I get the accident after this.
I hope you do too, because you're an idiot.
You're an asshole. I've got him a test site breast cancer and I'm a single mother.
Not my problem. Got him a yard.
Must have found his license in a cereal box. What do you think happened here?
"12 seconds later."
Take your time, please. Too important to wait for everyone else at traffic light. Overconfidence on the light timing. This driver was a bit confused. Never learned how to take turns as a kid.
Hey! This is a bike path.
We cannot go from here?
This is the bike path. No, you can't come from here.
Okay.
That exit must have been straight to a hospital. Merging must be really hard here. Did this car just flip?
How'd you do that?
I think that was
maybe just miss the exit next time. I was just vibing when suddenly
Idiot.
this driver must really not care about anything.
Two hours later.
This little devil. That text message must have been really important.
Holy shit, what the f?
Insufficient storage space for event recording.
I don't want to be mean, but come on. This must have been painful to experience.
Oh my god! Wait, where is the traffic?
It's like way up there.
How backed up is it?
Oh,
What?
It's an exodus. Oh my god.
There are 3 at a time? Oh, there's the guy behind us though.
but watch, because in a small car's gonna think they can do it. They're gonna need to stop.
I think enough people are. Oh, this small.
I want to see something like a Prius try to do it.
This is a small car right
Oh my
there.
god. Oh,
Corolla, good enough.
oh my god. Yo, what if they all get tickets?
If they all leave, we can go forward.
Leave. Get out of here.
No, we went to the zoo one day.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.